Equation of a straight line. The equation of a straight line is a formula which describes the relationship between two variables, x and y. And these variables are only raised to the power of 1. Look at the examples. They are straight line equations. The variables appear only to the first power. They are not straight line equations because no variable in an equation of a line is raised to the power greater than 1 or used as the denominator of a fraction. The equation of a straight line is a formula which describes the relationship between two variables, usually x and y. In other words, the value of one of the variables depends on the value of the other variable. In an equation of the straight line in x and y, x is the independent variable and y depends on it. To show it more clearly, we make y the subject of the formula. Let's see how it works. Example. Rearrange the straight line equations below to make y the variable dependent on each one. Add y to both sides. Reversing the formula, y becomes the subject. Y is dependent variable. X is the independent variable. Another example. Invert the formula so that y is on the left side. Subtract 6x to both sides. Add 1 to both sides. Divide both sides by -3. Now, y is the subject of the formula. Y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. In general, an equation of straight line is written as, because this way makes it clear that x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. M and c are constant numbers. When we assign any value we like for x, we can use the equation to find the corresponding value for y. These values form the order pairs that represent points on Cartesian plane. Let's see how it works. For the following equations, construct a table of values for the given values and plot the graph. Let's construct a table of values. Substitute x into the equation and find y to get the order pair. Locate the points on the Cartesian plane. When we join the points, we make up a straight line. In fact, all points on this line are ordered pairs of this equation. Another example. In practice, we don't need more than 3 points to draw a straight line graph. Substitute the x values into the equation to get y coordinate. Now locate the points on the Cartesian plane. Join the points to make up a straight line. All points on this line are ordered pairs of this equation.